Hello, today we will guide you through how to switch to dark mode in Yahoo Finance. Dark mode can make charts and news easier on the eyes, reduce glare and low light, and help you focus on the data that matters. Let's walk through the change step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along on your computer or mobile browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to finance.yahoo.com. Give the page a moment to load completely. You'll see the familiar Yahoo Finance layout with market indices, news, and a navigation bar across the top. Now draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile area lives. It may appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic silhouette icon. On some screens, it can be next to a bell or gear icon. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. A small panel will slide down or appear, showing options related to your account and preferences. In that menu, look for the option labeled Appearance. If you don't see it immediately, glance down the list or scroll within the menu area. It's typically grouped with other display or personalization settings. Go ahead and select Appearance to open the theme choices. You'll now see theme options. Choose dark mode to switch the interface from a light background to a darker palette. When you select dark mode, you may notice an instant preview behind the menu or a subtle change indicating the new theme is active. This darker scheme will help reduce eye strain, especially if you're reviewing charts or reading earnings coverage in the evening. After choosing dark mode, confirm the change by clicking OK. This saves your preference and applies it across Yahoo Finance pages in your current session. If you're signed into your account, the setting may carry over when you return on the same device and browser. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to ensure the new theme is fully applied. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever want to go back to the original look, repeat these steps and select light mode. Some versions of Yahoo Finance may also offer a device or system option which matches your computer or phone's theme automatically. If you use multiple browsers, you'll need to set your preference in each one. That's it. You've switched Yahoo Finance to dark mode, making your workspace calmer and more comfortable for extended market tracking and research.